Traders, let's look at US oil. Using our FCP analysis, we have been able to predict that the market was going to fall, and that's exactly what has been happening. It went a little bit higher, collected all the stop losses because, everybody thought, yeah, it is going to go keep on going higher. And how did that happen? This happened this way. When the market reached this particular level here, right here, this one, it showed a little bit of reaction to the downside, and then almost immediately for the next 2 days it kept on rising up, and it created a very strong candle, very strong bullish candle. Let me actually quickly change it so that you can see it much more clearly. So this is what I meant. So initially it came here right to that level and it started to fall down. Okay, so a lot of traders thought, yeah, this is going to go down, and then market went up, collected all their stop losses, and we waited for this particular opportunity to go for short position. I personally took short position on here, went long on here, and then took a short on this one all the way down to this level, and I'm still holding part of my position because I think it can still go lower. Now there are few barriers or few trade opportunities, as you can say, for long and short and all that, but I still think that this market can this market over time, it can still fall down for a correction. There are a few reasons behind this. I've covered them in previous analysis as well. So if you want to find out more about it, go and check them out. But very quickly, what I have is that this is overextension that we have got, and this needs to be cleared. So the market can actually fall down to the previous structure level near about that. So 70 is very, very close. So it's just about to reach 70. It's quite possible that it can go up and create few traps around this level, but 70 is reachable. Then we have the next level near about 68 or so. That is also very possible, and in that process you will see that it will form an M pattern. Why I looked for the short from here is because of an extended W pattern that we had, and there are few other variations of Fibonacci based confluences, which is part of FCP methodology. So that's why I still think that this market can go down in the medium to long term, but we will trade only what we see. So we traded short, we took long, we traded short, we are still holding one part of short, but if we get a good long opportunity, we can take that. Okay, so let's see what has happened since we did the analysis, and I'll keep the analysis intact as it is because it is still valid. So market came right into this FCP zone, created a bull trap here, started to fall down, came back down into this FCP zone as we predicted, exactly how we predicted using FCP, and then started to go back up into this FCP zone, fell down, went back up right into 75.5, and then started to fall down. It came back down into where? Exactly the same FCP zone. So what we have is kind of a range now, and it can keep on going up and down until it actually comes to 70 level here. It's quite possible that this week it goes to 70 and starts to go up, and it can also start to go up from here. Why? Because if I go to the 4 hour time frame, we have a very good M pattern, and that actually pushed the price up from here, but almost immediately it got rejected by 72 level, which we identified few weeks ago. That acted as resistance, started to fall down. So if 72 level is broken, then we are looking for the next level to be 73.29, and all of these levels will act as resistance. In that case, if the market starts to go down, then I'm looking for 70.57 followed by 70, and then obviously this will be broken, this midpoint will be broken, and in that case we will be looking for a new structure level. So this is what we have on update on US oil. Hope you enjoyed this. If you found this useful, make sure you hit the like button and share it with other traders and trading communities. US oil has been absolutely brilliant, and I hope that you made some money with this, or at least at least you learned from this analysis. If you have not seen the previous analysis, make sure you check them out and share it with other traders and trading communities as well. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.